Today, we're bringing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up V2Ray Slow DNS on the ZiVPN app using the UDP custom website. Before we jump in, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Begin by opening any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit Enter. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. This is the platform where we'll create our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once the website loads, look for the menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines, also called the hamburger icon. Tap on it, and from the available options, select V2Ray Slow DNS server. This will direct you to the server creation page, where you'll first choose your desired server location. After selecting a location, you'll be taken to the account creation page. Here, type in your username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on Create Now. Within moments, your server will be generated and the details will be displayed on the screen. Copy the V2Ray VMess configuration details. Make sure to keep them saved in your clipboard as we'll need them shortly. Next, let's set up V2Ray on the ZiVPN app. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type ZiVPN, and from the results, select the official app. On the app's detail page, tap Install and wait while it downloads and installs. Once done, tap Open to launch the app. On the ZiVPN home screen, check the box labeled V2Ray to activate V2Ray settings. Then, tap the Settings icon at the top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select V2Ray from the list. This opens a new page where you'll see a small plus button at the top. Tap it, and the app will automatically import the V2Ray server details you copied earlier. Once the server has been successfully imported, return to the home screen and press Start to connect. Congratulations! You're now connected to the internet using your V2Ray VMess server on ZiVPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.